just recently started back working out. Why don't I just go ahead and be honest? I just started working out like for the first time for real in my life with my personal trainer, and oh my god, I'm so hurt. Like, I'm so hurt. I took an Advil just so I could film this video because I'm going through. Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe. And if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing my first perm rod set ever, and I know y'all saw the title like, what? Like, girl, what? Yes, you read right. I have never done a perm rod set before in my life, and by that I mean I can count on one hand the amount of times that I've even requested a style to be a perm rod set, because I personally do not like perm rod sets on me. I will see them on other naturals. I will think they're gorgeous, you slaying, you're killing it, beautiful crown, hair crush. But on me, y'all know my alter ego is Geraldine Jenkins. Whenever I get those types of curls, I typically don't like it. After my hair falls a little bit, like, I like it a little bit more, but 12 times out of 10, I'm not about that life. I just don't like those types of curls on me, and I don't think they look cute. Maybe it's the curl size, and I don't know what that is. I don't know how I got that way about my hair, but like even certain flexi rod sets, the little pink push roller thing that I did a hot minute ago, curl formers, like those types of curls just remind me of Shirley Temple, and I don't know, I don't think it looks cute on me. I don't think it looks cute. But today, sis, bro, trick, we getting into it. Today, I've only probably gotten 3 perm rod sets in my whole life, like an actual set, and that was going to a salon and getting it done. I've never done one myself. And I went to the beauty supply store. This is the size roller I'm gonna be working with in order to achieve this look. I have a whole bunch of packs of these because I don't know how many I need, and these are kind of big, so hopefully I get a different type of curl that I like more, but we're just gonna jump into it, okay? I also have my Lotta Body Wrap Me foaming mousse here. You guys have seen me use this before with like my wave formers and stuff, and a spray bottle of water. I'm starting off on blown out hair. Hopefully this style comes out cute. Hopefully things will be self-explanatory, and yeah, we're gonna see what comes out of this. We're either gonna fly or we're gonna fail, but we will be listening to Lizzo. Okay. This is what one half of my head is looking like. It went by kind of fast. Y'all saw, I don't know, maybe I'll edit it out, but I'm kind of on the struggle bus when it comes to applying these. I don't know what I'm doing because it's my first time rolling it up like this. I did switch to my Tailored Beauty mousse here because I just felt like it was gonna have some more hold. It's still a lot of humidity down here in Georgia, girl. And this is what we're working with. So I'm gonna do the other half of my head and I'll come back and show you guys everything. Hey guys, so I'm back. This is what my hair is looking like. I'm gonna give y'all a 360. And I'm gonna tell you, I think this is about to be a fail. I don't think this is gonna work. Looking back, I feel like I should have twisted my roots, and I tried to twist them a little bit, like swirl the roller around so that my roots don't come out puffy, but I think I actually should have like did a twist and then rolled my hair up into the roller. I had taken a few of these out and redid them in smaller sections because I felt like the sections I was using was too big, and that the roller itself, like, it had already started to dry, and like there was only a curl in the end, and like that was it. So obviously I would have to get a method down. I would have to keep doing this over and over again in order to find something that works best for me and my hair. But as of right now, I think this is gonna be a fail. I am going to go sit under the hooded dryer, and I am gonna sleep with these in, which I am not looking forward to because I already told y'all I was hurt from working out, and now my neck about to have a crook in it. Girl, I'm just going through. I'm gonna need a drink tonight. But this is everything so far. This entire styling process, no sis, but you know, practice makes perfect. I'm so not here for it right now, but if it comes out kind of cute, maybe I can keep at it. Hey guys, so this is what things are looking like the next morning. Sorry if my energy is like a little bit lower. I'm still tired because it was literally the most uncomfortable night's sleep I've ever had in my life. So even despite the results, I won't be doing perm process no more. But I do want to see how it's going to come out. So yes, one already did fall out, and I slept on it out because this is just a hot mess. I did not sit under a hooded dryer. That was my plan, but I am just so ready for these things to be out my head that I don't know what to do. So this is the unravel reveal. Ooh, honey, you ain't gonna see no more perm process for me for the rest of my life on everything. I don't know, some of the curls are coming out better than others, but still not super great. These are cute, but no, the amount of suffrage that I went through just to get this, hell nah. Like, I took one for the team, y'all. Took one for the team. And I know I'm looking crusty and dusty right now, but like I said, it's stupid early in the morning because I need to get these things out. Girl, so this is what I'm looking like pre-fluffed. I actually don't know if I'm gonna fluff it because I think it would just cause frizz. I think the mousse did a decent job holding, and I have mentioned that before, that the Tailored Beauty mousse has a little bit of tackiness to it, but I think that's what gets it to stay like it does, because I think the other one wouldn't have had enough hold and crunch to it like I need. Anyway, this is what things are looking like unseparated. I am so glad to have these things on my head, y'all. I don't know what to do. That being said, I feel like some of the curls came out better than others. I feel like in some spots my roots are quite puffy, and for the amount of sacrifice I gave up to get this style, I don't think it's worth it. But I just point blank period, I will never do another perm set again. And that's just that on that. I will never do another perm set again. I will go to a salon to have it done, but the likelihood of me going to a salon to get a perm set done is very low because I already don't go to salons, and of all the styles, that's probably my least favorite one. So paying someone to give me a style that I'm really not about like that is probably not going to happen. The second thing is the tension on my scalp. Like, I wanted to get my roots like taut enough so that they didn't puff up, even though they did anyway. But sleeping on that is very uncomfortable, which is the main reason why I wouldn't do this again. Like, even if I sat under a hooded dryer, y'all know it takes forever for my hair to dry. So I wouldn't want to burn my hair or cause any heat damage just sitting and sitting and sitting and sitting, because my roots would never, they just need time, okay? They need time over like direct heat, because I don't think my roots would dry quickly. I also don't think that perm rods could pull my hair taut enough. I would just have to start off on straight hair and then go from there. Like, even though I started off on a blowout, I think I would have to straighten my hair and then do the rollers, you know, because that would be cute. Starting off on natural hair, I don't see that being the winning solution. I don't. But I'm about to separate these things, seeing what things are looking like. It might just puff up and poof out, because y'all can see in my roots, like that's exactly what it is. On my ends might look cute, but I don't know, even some of my ends just don't look A1. I am not here for it. I'm here for the curl type, but I also feel like I could achieve this with either a flat iron or a curling iron and get my desired results without all of the drying time and the tension on my scalp and it just, and the no sleep. Too many moving parts, okay? Too many. And I know this is my first time doing it. It's easy for me to hate on it right now, but I am not gonna ride this one out until it gets better. I just, no, sis, no. Hey guys, so these are the final results after fluffing. I feel like even though I fluffed it, they are tending to clump back up into the giant curl that was in the perm rod, because they, like, the little pieces are all going in the same direction. But this is everything. I did kind of a side part, sorta. These are the final results, and I don't think they look bad. Very 80s-esque, so I don't think I'm channeling my usual alter ego, Geraldine. This is not Geraldine. This is Stacy. This is Stacy. This is everything. And to me, these results aren't ideal, but like I said, I don't have it within me to hold out until I get those ideal results. And I know y'all are probably like, this girl had an attitude this whole video. She had an attitude this whole video. But the thing is, like, I do not like wasting wash days. Fails happen, it's part of the business, but this much sacrifice and pain to fail is like a whole nother level. Like, you start getting in your feelings about your hair. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, but let me know, comment down below and let me know if your hair does well with perm rod sets, because I don't think my hair ever will, to be honest with you. I don't think I'm a perm rod set queen. Forget that. I know I'm not a perm rod set queen. Regardless, I tried, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me, which probably won't be a perm rod set. Anyway, if you subscribe, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.